we going to do?
We're gonna go move the chickens and combine the young chickens.
Zoe!
Combine the young chickens in with the older ones. And then we're gonna move the pigs. We'll move the feeder pigs and then we'll go feed Rosie and Roy.
Let's do it. Hop on. So we're getting loaded up. I have this huge pullover and I have Bo strapped to me in a wrap. And this pullover works great. You barely know there's a baby in there. You ready, Boone? Ready, Joe? Ready, Viv?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Let's do it. Ready, Boone? Ethan's getting all the fencing, all the feed, loaded up.
Double up the netting. We use 2 sets of netting instead of 1 since we're fixing to combine the chickens.
Yeah.
Give them a bigger area.
So we have it on wheels. Ethan can just jack it up and then hook it up and roll it. We don't really worry about the chickens getting out, having the fence open like that, because we're feeding them at the same time. So we just open the fence up, move it, and then feed them, and then put the fence up back around them. They're not really trying to get away, so that is not a big deal.
Hiding in the grass.
Where'd Vivi go? There she is. I really couldn't see you, Vivi.
Zoe. No.
Leave the chickens alone, Zoe. You get the lightest, Vivi. Which one's the lighter one?
This one's the lighter.
I'll get this one.
This one's the lighter.
All right, let's work together.
This is.
Working hard.
Huh. You get that?
I'll get it. They're coming.
Yeah, Daddy.
They want to come. Gonna make it bigger for all of them. Got some eggs while we're at it. You got egg?
Mama, hold that one.
Okay. Only one casualty. It's pretty good. Zoe!
Got it, buddy?
Big helpers. These are our new layers. We got one out somehow.
Mama, keep it.
Careful with it. Put that other wing down. There you go. There you go. This is the old chicken tractor. Yeah, it's hard to call it that. It's what we use for a chicken tractor for our meat chickens.
Mama, take my clothes off.
Alright, now time to close it up. Then we'll open them up, see how they do. Alright, we had to shed a layer. Now you can see the wrap.
What?
He's just a snoring. We're about ready to open it up. They don't want to come out. All right, they came out. Ethan set some feet out in front. They got a little bit to go before they get to the grown-ups over there. All right, we got one coming. Oh, changed mine. You made that look so easy.
Alright, put the lid on, babe.
Gotta turn it.
Which way again?
Boone, let Vivi do it.
No. Which way again, Mama?
This way. There you go. Okay, we'll go in just a second.
Hey, Boom. Instead of us, Sky Early. This is our farm.
This is our farm. So it's been about 2 weeks. Well, get the sun right. It's been about 2 weeks since we combined all of the hens. And they've done really well. I've come out and watched sometimes, and no one's overly aggressive towards them. They still kind of like stay with their own little flocks, you know.
Mommy, get the egg.
We'll get the eggs. But I can see like some of our older flock kind of integrating in with their with the young ones and so forth. Like the roosters, our 2 roosters are kind of hanging out, but our younger roosters kind of hanging out more with those younger hens, and our older one is definitely still staying with the other ones. They're still kind of, I mean, they have a decent little area where they can be away from each other to stay separated, but I think they've done really well. And you know, you kind of hear horror stories after putting 2 flocks together and it just ending in a bloodbath, but I think they've done really well, and really surprised and super grateful. So that is, I'm coming. We got to get eggs. So y'all have a good day.